Just tell me who you see, 'cause I think I do want you next to me. Want you next to me, but does this work? 'Cause
Good morning, guys. Today I'm on Kindy.
Yeah, first day of Kindy after ng holiday.
Kindy's back.
Yeah, Kindy's back. Nakapag-breakfast na sila. And ito pala yung baon nila. Sandwich na Vegemite and cheese. And ito yung kanilang snacks. And then carrots and orange. Good morning, Ya.
Morning.
Good morning. Okay, wash your shoes, Baba. Get your shoes na. Tingnan yung book niya. Ayos na ayos.
Mom.
Kuya. Yeah.
Mom, look.
Gamit na ni Kuya yung kanyang bagong tumbler.
Mom.
What's that, Sa?
When my friend told me this. She wants that one.
You want like this?
Yeah. When my friend told me this.
Okay. Di ba pinilang ko pala siya ng bago?
I need to buy a new one. I have an owl one when mine's broken.
Okay. Okay, I'll put this to your bag now. See ya. Mwah. Mwah. Listen and play. Love you. Love you. Si Holly, the-drop off ko siya.
Hurry up.
Okay.
See you later, guys.
Good morning again, guys. Dito pala tayo sa town. Kanina hindi ako masyado nag-vlog kasi nagmamadali ako kasi may schedule ako for SNS. And today is Tuesday. Back to school na yung mga bata. And today is April 27. So, takbo na ako. So, dito na tayo, guys. So, natanggal na yung kulay niya. And magpapabawas ako. Magpapa-short nails ako this time. Ganyan siya kahaba. Paputulan natin siya. So, pili tayo ng kulay. Ayoko yung glittery. Pili tayo dito. So, pili muna ako. Kanina pa ako naghahanap. Ang dami kasi pagpipilian. So, sabi ko, eto na lang. Ayan. Parang ano lang, nude lang. Ang dami niya, guys. Mahirap mag-decide. So, eto na lang siguro. Yeah. Ayan, guys. Piniksihan ko siya. Ganito ka-iksi. Tapos na pala ako, guys. Ano lang tayo. Toilet lang. And, eto pala yung kulay niya. Ayan, napaka-ano lang. Neutral lang. Parang skin tone ko lang siya. So, ihin mo na ako. And, pupunta na pala ako ng... Nakasabi ko na. Pumunta pala ako ng Foodland. May kinuha lang ako saglit. Wait lang. Tapos na tayo dito. And, nag-order akong drink sa Boost. Pick-upin ko lang. Ito yung Boost. Mamaya, daanan ko yung aking drink. Wala ako ng lunch dito. Eto, i-try ko tong katsu crab avocado na sushi. And, wala ba silang pork? Chicken na meron. Pork. Ito na lang. Prawns. Tempura. Thank you. Kunin ko na yung... Hi! Yung drink. Thank you. Ayan. May ano siya. Banana mango. Lucky! Nakakuha silang toys. Dala ko pala yung old phone ko, yung nabasag. I-try ko kung pwede pa siyang ma-fix. Hi!
Hello.
Guys, ito yung phone na ipapa-fix ko. Kasi tingnan nyo, wala na siyang buhay. Naka-full charge siya. Yan lang yung lumalabas sa kanya. So, ipatry natin. So, how much?
$350.
350 daw. So, okay. Yeah. How long?
Around an hour.
An hour?
Yeah.
Ah, okay, okay. 1 hour lang. Wow, okay. Thank you. Okay, balikan ko siya after 1 hour. Ano muna, pupunta ako ng Coles kasi mag-grocery ako. Hala, hinahabol ko yung oras kasi si Holly pipick upin ko rin siya mamaya. Dito na ako sa car. And kanina, parang may brown ako dito kanina. Ayan, okay na. So, punta ako ng Coles kasi mag-grocery ako. So, madali ang grocery to, guys. And, bumili pala ako ng, wait, mag-copyright tayo, ng Del sa, sa Foodland. Meron naman ito sa Coles, pero parang mas marami yung sa kanila. So, binili ko na sa kanila, sa Foodland. Okay. Wala pa tayo sa Coles, guys. Dan muna ako dito sa camera house kasi bibili ako ng SD card kasi yung ibang SD cards, hindi na sila gumagana. And, kaano niya lang din yung Asian store katabi, pero mamaya na ako dito sa Asian store. Ito ba yung bago, yung Thai na Asian store na nabanggit ko sa inyo sa previous vlogs. And dito tayo, camera house. And guys, dinala ko pala yung camera na hulog. Ipatry ko siyang ipa-fix. Ayan, dala natin siya. So, isisend daw nila to. And eto yung bibili natin na SD card. Yung 250, is it? 256. Yeah, 256 gigabytes. So, okay, thank you. So, okay. Buti na lang, dinala ko talaga yung camera. Kasi iniisip ko rin talaga na ipa-fix siya kasi hindi na talaga siya gumagana. Ayaw niyang ma-close. Dito, may bago silang deliver na vegetables. Pero mamaya na ako pupunta dito. Kasi kailangan ko muna pumunta ng Coles. Mag-grocery doon. Then, uwi. Pick upin si Holly. Anong oras na ba? What time? Alas 12 na ata. Alas 12 na, guys. I think. We'll see. Yeah, 12:06. Yeah, 12:06 na. So, mag-grocery muna ako sa Coles. Dito na tayo sa Coles.
forever, 'cause I still dream of you, and waking up together is like heaven made for two. All the other guys got cash for days, I don't really care, 'cause all my days got your name on it, sign your name on it. I don't see the point of the bling bling bling, saving all my love for a single ring with your name on it. And I ain't sorry, no, I just wanna love you. I just wanna love you. Yeah. I don't wanna waste even if the day, I don't wanna wait any longer. yeah, put your hand, girl, this is it. Saving all my love for a single ring with your name on it. And I ain't sorry, no, I just wanna love you. I just wanna love you. I don't wanna waste even if the day, I don't wanna wait any longer. I just wanna love you. I just wanna love every inch of your body, yeah. Give it up right now. Yeah. An indiscretion and I start to question everything. Like when you kiss me on the cheek, what does it mean? Baby, step beside Seinfeld in the 90s. Now I'm looking like Kramer and my Nikes, yeah, with the heart attack. But you don't attack, you don't call me back. Why is Gen Z always only texting? I miss your voice when you're lying to me. If you could call me up, like you used to call me daddy, and I could love you good, yeah, like you used to be my baddie. Make me horny, but who's counting? Leave me horny, but who's counting? Come on. Give it up right now. 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 A generation saying that's so raven. Please be patient. Tell me what your sun sign's saying. Or could you ever love a Gemini? Could you? Hey, yeah. I try to reason I'm Aquarius rising, but you've already gone and made up your mind, and your mind's not mine. Like what's mine is yours. Like when you take all the bites when we share a dessert, yeah. If you could call me up, like you used to call me daddy, and I could love you good, yeah, like you used to be my baddie. Leave me horny, but who's counting? Leave me horny, but who's counting? Leave me horny, but who's counting? Give it up right now. Give it up right now. Give it up right now. Give it up.
So, mas marami yung Del sa Woodland. Kunti lang siya dito.
Give it up right now. 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 Give it up right now.
180. So, ayan na yung mga nakuha ko. Ayan. Dito na ako sa deli. Kuha ko ng salmon. So, kumuha ko ng 4 na salmon. Tapos na ako guys. Bayad na tayo. And yung oras ay hindi pa siya 2 kasi nag-alarm akong 2 o'clock. So okay pa ako. Yung shampoo at conditioner tsaka yung sabon. Dito ko na nilagay sa ibabaw. Thank you. Have a good day. Yeah. Alarm na yung aking sakto tapos na ako magbayad. So yan na yung itsura ng ating cart guys. So tayo lang mag-isa lang ako ngayon. Okay, ilagay ko muna to dito. Ilagay ko muna kayo dito para hindi ko kayo makalimutan sa cart. May dala akong coat.